Among the many nutrient-rich foods that support muscle health, eggs stand out as a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. But how exactly do eggs help with leg cramps in older adults? Let us engage in exploration together. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of cramps, and protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Seniors often experience age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, which increases susceptibility to cramps and weakness. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. A single large egg provides 6 grams of high-quality protein, which helps rebuild muscle fibers and reduce muscle fatigue, enhance muscle contraction efficiency, reducing cramp frequency. Including eggs in the diet supports muscle strength and endurance, lowering the likelihood of painful cramps. How does the vitamin D in eggs support calcium absorption and muscle function? Vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain can develop. Research shows that seniors with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Vitamin B12 plays a direct role in nerve function. When levels are low, nerve signals become impaired, leading to muscle spasms, tingling, and cramping. Eggs help protect nerve health by providing B12 and choline, which work together to support nerve insulation, myelin sheath protection, improve communication between muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth contraction and relaxation, prevent neuropathy-related cramps, which are common in diabetics and seniors. Eating eggs regularly supports nerve integrity, helping reduce misfired signals that lead to muscle cramps. Are older adults more prone to muscle cramps if they have low B12 levels, and how can eggs help? Yes, seniors are more vulnerable to B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid production, which limits B12 absorption. Common medications, like metformin or acid reflux drugs, that deplete B12 levels. Lower intake of animal-based foods due to dietary restrictions. Research now confirms that moderate egg consumption, 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most people and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. For those with heart conditions or high cholesterol, consulting a doctor is advised, but replacing processed meats with eggs can still be a heart-healthy choice. Can eggs help reduce nocturnal leg cramps in seniors? Yes, nocturnal leg cramps are often linked to poor muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve dysfunction. Since eggs provide protein, muscle repair, B12, nerve protection, vitamin D and calcium, muscle function. Including eggs in an evening meal or breakfast can help balance nutrients and support overnight muscle recovery, reducing nighttime cramps. Certain seniors may need to adjust their egg intake based on health conditions. Seniors with kidney disease may need to limit protein intake. Consult a doctor. Those with high cholesterol can eat egg whites instead of whole eggs. Diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich foods, vegetables, whole grains, for better blood sugar control. For most older adults, eggs are a highly beneficial food that supports muscle, nerve, and overall health. To maximize benefits, seniors should eat eggs regularly, 6 to 7 per week. Pair eggs with other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. Stay hydrated and maintain balanced electrolyte intake. For seniors looking to reduce muscle cramps naturally, eggs are a simple and effective dietary addition.